Hi, today I would like to talk with you about the collisions in Unity, because we've got a situation like that. We have a shooting functionality in our project, but have a look, what is going on? This is really crazy. We just shoot the bullet and the bullet is still there and making some circles. It's really fun, isn't it? So should it be like that? No, definitely not. I think that whenever our bullet hits something, it should be destroyed. So let's do this. Let's open our bullet script and add this functionality. I would do this in here. So in our script, we want to detect these collisions, and there are special events in Unity that will help us to get that information. And one of those can be on collision enter 2D. Of course, remember, we are making 2D project, so we need to stick to 2D methods. And this event will help us detect the collisions. And as you can see, this is a callback function, and it means that it will return some information for us. In this parenthesis, there is a variable of type collision2D, and inside of this variable there will be plenty of informations about the object that the bullet has collided with. So this is very handy. So now we want to destroy our bullet when it collides with something. The only thing we need to do is to call destroy method, and inside the parentheses as an argument we need to provide game object. Game object is the object to which this script is attached to. So this is our bullet actually. And that's it. This is all what we need. So let's go back to the Unity and give it a try. Now let's shoot few times, pach, 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 and this is really nice. Yay, lovely. So our functionality is working pretty well, but I want to show you how this collision callback works. So before we destroy our object, let's what can we do? We can display in the console name of the object that we hit. So let's do something like debug.log, and inside we want to get inside of this variable, so collision. And now remember that this variable is of type collision2D. So we need to somehow get the whole game object first. So let's type game object, and now we can type name, and that's it. So let's get back, press play, and now in the console we should see the name of the object that we hit, and it's great, lovely. Of course, we don't need this functionality. I just wanted to show you how to use this collision variable.